Hey guys, it's Alan.
And AlNani.
And welcome back to AlNani Vibes. So, babe, you're pretty hungry, right? If you guys know us, we do give that Hawaiian vibe to the channel, to you guys, especially to the viewers. We got something special today, well, for today's vlog. And you guys are in for a special treat. It hits a pretty good spot in the heart. It hits home for sure, to show some love to the founder, you know, the one who actually brought the 808 to the 626. But other than that, we even do have one special treat that AlNani Ray is looking forward to. So, guys, stay tuned.
One of the wildest things, making me smile, seeing you move to the realest thing. I know I love this feeling, and it's love I'm feeling.
Alright guys, so this is my first time trying out this Hawaiian restaurant. So I cannot wait to try this out. We got some shrimp right here. We got garlic shrimp and some vegetables. We got some macadamia pancakes. Of course, the most popular Spam Musubi, also Vibez dish. He got the
Portuguese sausage and Spam.
We gotta get into this. Get some vegetables. It's hot. So I can taste the zestiness, and it's a little bit spicy, but I really like the spiciness, and the vegetables just give it a really good pair.
Alright guys, so this is the Hawaiian favorite. We got Portuguese sausage, Spam, and eggs. Shout out to my dad. He introduced all this to me, and now I'm introducing it to you guys and to AlNani. This right here is pretty much an everyday thing. You can eat this for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We got the over easy egg. And you know, with the yolk and everything like that, you gotta break it up just a little bit, mix it in the rice. And we're just gonna go ahead and dig in and get a spoonful of everything. That's like a really good bite. This hits home a lot.
Anytime that you have any type of Hawaiian food, whether if it's breakfast, lunch, dinner, or with the Spam Musubis, you guys gotta get the Hawaiian son, my personal favorite, and of course, Vibez, is the passion orange.
This is my favorite. This is the Spam Musubi. Oh, this is literally like authentic Spam Musubi. Better than AlNani. So I give this 10 out of 10.
One of the wildest things, you made me smile, seeing you move to the realest thing.
I've been waiting to try these out, so let's go ahead and get into it. And I get a good piece. Ooh, there's a lot of sauce. Off the bat, I taste obviously the macadamia nuts, and the sauce is like custard, a little hint of vanilla custard. I feel like it's a custard. It's very good. It pairs well with the pancakes. Yeah, I give this 100 out of 100 because I never tried this before.
Alright guys, so we cannot forget the mac salad that pretty much comes with all the plates that they got here. Potatoes, mac, mayonnaise. You don't really like celery, huh?
No, I'm gonna try it because I really don't like celery, but we'll see what happens. It tastes like potato salad to me. It's like very creamy, very soft. The macaroni is not hard, it's perfect.
And the locals call it mac salad. Okay guys, so we got a very, very special person that we do want to put in the video. None other than Auntie Betty. She is the founder of Aloha Food Factory. And Auntie Betty, how long have you had the restaurant open?
It's been open for 27 years, and I've been here 28 years getting everything ready.
We were actually talking and chatting up just for a little bit. I did mention that when my dad came from the Big Island, this was the very first restaurant that he came to that actually made him feel like home. For it being this long since I've actually had this, it had a special spot.
Thank you so much. Mahalo.
All right, guys. Babe, what'd you think about the food?
I loved it. It gives me like a lot of love in my heart when I eat the food. You gotta try it for yourself, and it's just brings a lot of sentimental love in your heart, so you gotta try this food.
I know all you guys have tried AlNani, you guys have
Yeah.
tried Ono, every other Hawaiian food restaurant out there. But if you guys are in the 626, if you guys are close anywhere to Alhambra,
Yes.
I know everyone, the viewers and everything, you guys visit Disneyland. If you guys want to make that quick drive over to Alhambra,
Yes.
over here, give Aloha Food Factory a try.
Yes.
And also make sure that you show Auntie Betty some love.
Some love.
You know, it kind of a little bit hurts that, you know, the restaurant is closing,
So sad.
but there's a lot of supporters out there, and hopefully you guys could be able to help out and
Help
make
out
sure
the-
that the restaurant and everything
Yes.
stays
Stays open for longer. And then we also make sure you get your Hawaiian stuff. Delicious.
you guys can get that at Tokyo Central. Any of your Hawaiian restaurants, anything Japanese or anything like that, you guys could definitely find that drink over in any of those Japanese restaurants or Asian markets, to say. We got a special treat for you.
I've never seen this before.